Recovering a Sui wallet involves a series of steps to regain access to your funds when you have lost your wallet or cannot access it. The first step is to understand the basics of the Sui blockchain and how wallets work on this platform. The Sui wallet is a digital wallet used to store, send, and receive Sui coins, and it is protected by a private key or a recovery phrase. If you have lost access to your wallet, you can recover it using the recovery phrase. To start the recovery process, you need to download and install the Sui wallet app on your device. Once installed, open the app and click on the Recover Wallet option. You will be prompted to enter your recovery phrase, which is a series of words that you saved when you created your wallet. Enter the recovery phrase in the correct order and make sure to double-check it, as any mistake can lead to loss of access to your funds. After entering the recovery phrase, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the recovery process. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase safe, as anyone with access to it can recover your wallet and access your funds. Best practices include storing the recovery phrase in a secure location, such as a safe or a secure note-taking app, and never sharing it with anyone. Additionally, it is crucial to keep your wallet and recovery phrase up to date, as the Sui blockchain is constantly evolving, and outdated wallets may not be compatible with the latest network updates. In conclusion, recovering a Sui wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed by following the steps outlined above. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase safe and up to date to ensure you can access your funds at any time. By following best practices and taking the necessary precautions, you can protect your Sui wallet and ensure the security of your funds.